The top 10 check engine light causes. When the check engine light turns on in your dash, it's worth taking the time to find expert service to resolve the issue. A check engine light indicates something is wrong with your engine system. While some issues are less concerning than others, ignoring your check engine light could damage your engine components and lead to more expensive repairs and replacements. We provide the top 10 reasons why your check engine light could be on so that you can have a greater understanding of the importance of addressing it. Why is my check engine light on? 1. Faulty oxygen sensor. If your oxygen sensor isn't working properly, your vehicle can't measure the right amount of oxygen in the exhaust to inject the proper amount of fuel to the engine. This issue can decrease your fuel economy by 40%. 2. Loose gas cap. Leaking vapors can trigger fuel sensors if the gas cap is loose. 3. Faulty catalytic converter. If there's an issue with the engine or exhaust, you may need a new catalytic converter. 4. Faulty ignition coil. Coils fail over time and under high temperatures, causing no spark to run to the engine. 5. Bad spark plug. You can be wasting gas if a bad spark plug isn't allowing your engine to fire on all cylinders. 6. Bad mass airflow sensor. Similar to the oxygen sensor, if this sensor cannot detect accurate airflow, your mileage will suffer. 7. Non-compatible aftermarket alarm. An aftermarket part in your engine system could cause your check engine light to turn on. 8. Leaky vacuum hoses on evap system. If your vacuum hoses are leaking, fuel will evaporate before reaching its destination. 9. Faulty exhaust gas recirculation valve. Without this part, the exhaust will not go back through the combustion process, causing your fuel economy to suffer. 10. Battery charging system. Some monitoring systems also detect issues with your battery and notify you via the check engine light.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.